Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 11 and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's pop it open. So we have our watch and our strap. Let's start off with the strap. Camera. And there we go. Yeah, so there we go. We have our Type-C to magnetic charger, paperwork, and obviously the watch along with the strap. Now, I do want to point out one thing. To me, it seems a bit kind of wonky. It's supposed to, I think, go this way, right? There we go, yeah. So this little strap that comes with it just seems a bit, I don't know, misfitted to the watch. The watch seems a bit more modern, kind of almost like industrial kind of design with the metal body on the knob and whatever, while still kind of maintaining this minimalistic look. And the silicone strap that comes at least with this model, it seems the color of it and design just seems to clash a little bit too much with it, in my opinion. Other than that, the watch itself seems, like I said, premium. We have fantastic haptic feedback, which I already experienced on the SE version of it. I think that's the SE, right? So same haptic feedback by the feel of it. Just a little bit bigger display, 1.9 inches with a 496 by 416 pixels, OLED LTPO display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, unlike the SE that has only 1000. So you know, a even better version of already a decent watch, I would say, a good watch. And yeah, it's just new iteration of the of Apple Watches and Series 11. Anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.